What if I told you there's a way to make $300 per day by copying and pasting videos online? Wouldn't you just be ecstatic? You'd be excited. You would just fall in love with this business idea. My guess is you would. And in today's video, we're going to jump into the computer and I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste videos, place these videos on YouTube, and make over $300 every single day. Now, before we jump into the video and I explain step by step exactly how this works and the process involved in it, I need you to do two things for me. The very first thing I need you to do is smash that like button because it just helps out the video. The second thing that I need you to do is, if you know any friends, family members, anybody on Facebook that you think would benefit from this exact strategy and benefit from an additional $300 every single day, then make sure you share this video. Click that link below this video and share it over on Facebook. So now, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump in the computer and I'm going to show you how you can make $300 every single day by copying and pasting videos. So how exactly does somebody make $300 every single day on YouTube by copying and pasting videos? Well, let me show you. Let me show you a channel first off. Okay, I just typed in motivational video and I found this channel. It's called Motivation Hub. What they do, now this channel actually just passed 1 million subscribers today. Just a little bit before I actually recorded this video, they passed 1 million subscribers. Let me show you this, okay? So let's say this wealth mindset, new motivational video, right? So there's 3 days ago, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month. They do one video a week. That's it, one video a week. Let me show you this. Let me click on this video really quick. And you can watch it. Now we're not gonna watch this ad. Nobody really cares about the ad, okay? I'm gonna skip that. Now, if we watch this, okay, this person is just using a little bit of text, has some video, maybe some clips, and a voiceover of the video. Okay, that's all they're doing. Goes all the way through. Now, why is this so important? This is important because this is all we're gonna do. That's it. This is all we're doing. We're just showing people, you know, some motivational hack, motivational tip, trick, strategy, right? That's all we're doing. Now, look at this. This just shows a website called Social Blade. Now, this just shows me how much this website earns roughly per day. You can see right here, they're making anywhere from like $50 to $760 per day, right here. Okay? Now, what I know, based on my own experience, based on some of my YouTube channels, they're making between $500 to $600 every single day. $500 to $600 is a great income. That's $15,000 or more every single month that they're making. But how are they doing this? How do they put these videos together, right? It's probably what you're wondering. Well, let me show you. And I'm going to show you a video that I made for a client. It was probably a few months back. I made it for a client, and just some simple little video. He put it at the end of one of his YouTube videos, and it actually made some sales. And let me play that video for you really quick. What if there was a way where you could spend your time with your loved ones, your friends, and do this in a place that most people call paradise? Do this in a place with clear waters, blue skies, and sun that never stops. What if this didn't cost you an arm and a leg like most people spend? But how do you do that? How do you spend time with your pets, your family, your friends at a fraction of the cost? Well, there's a book on Amazon.com called Travel the World Without Worries. This is a book I highly recommend because it teaches you how to travel on a budget. So do you see how simple that was? That wasn't extremely, difficult to create. It probably took me less than, 5 minutes to find the videos. He found the book himself. That was the book he wanted to promote. So I knew what book I was trying to promote at the end. I just found the videos, found some audio. That was it, right? And the best part about this is all these things are free. Anybody can do this strategy. It's very basic, very simple, very easy. And I want to show you how to do it. I want to give you the websites you can use right now to go and upload all these videos, to Go and get the audio, go and get any sound, go and get these things so that you can make your own videos just like this one. So here are the websites that I personally like using the most. Now, Pixabay.com is the one that I used in the video that I showed you, okay? That's the one that I use. Now, let me show you this, because it's really not complicated, okay? This is what I use. I use a thing called Camtasia to create this. A lot of times I'll either use Camtasia, or if it's more in depth and I feel like messing around with it, which I usually don't, I'll use Adobe Premiere Pro, but I'm not the best with it. So a lot of times I just throw it together with Camtasia. Simple, it's basic, and it works, all right? So look at this. Here's my timeline down here. Now you can see over here, I have the audio from Bensound, and I also have my voiceover that I just made, just by doing a quick little voice narration, okay? But this is all it is. It's one video here, okay? This video right here, I didn't put this all together, somebody else did it, okay? It's their whole video. Then another little video here with the quick transition, and then the end, where I talk about the book. That's it. That's all it is. Now, here's where I got all this stuff. Pixabay.com is the first website I use. The nice thing about it is I can come here, so I click on videos, let's say I type in beach. Okay, just type that in. Now here's the cool part. Now skip this little sponsored thing by Shutterstock, but I come down here, and I think this was the very first video I used. The best part about Pixabay is there's no attribution required. We can use this for commercial use all day long, and they don't do anything about it. We never have to say where we got it, whose it is, anything like that. Okay, that's why I like Pixabay. And if that video wasn't enough, come down here, let's find another one. Let's say this is the one I want, okay? And this is the video that I want to use right here. I just click free download. It pops up, I click download, and I'm good to go. That's it. And again, no attribution required and free for commercial use, okay? The next website is called Pexels.com. Now if I came to Pexels.com and I typed in beach, well, if I learned how to spell, and I typed in beach, then I could click on videos, and I can do the exact same thing. Here's the problem with Pexels.com is when we do a download, let's say I want to download this one, free download, okay? Now, what they want is usually us to say where we got it, who we got it from. Okay, so that's what I don't like about Pexels.com. It still works. They have pretty good size library of stuff to go through. This looks like the exact same video. Okay, and so that's why I like to use both of them. So again, Pexels.com and Pixabay are two great options for finding any video. You can also go with images as well. You don't always have to go with video. So I like to kind of mix both, but for that sample that I showed you, I just use video. Now where I got sound is bensound.com. It's royalty-free music, but you have to credit bensound.com. So I always do that, obviously, but you just come down here and you can get any of these downloads. What you will see is some will say purchase. I'm going to go past it a little bit so you can kind of get an idea. Some will say purchase. The only way to actually download these is you need to purchase them. Now there's other ways, not ethical ways, but you can kind of rip these off if you wanted to. I'm not going to show you how to do that because that's not something I do. Because if someone were to realize what you've done, they could come after you. They could get your video pulled off of YouTube. Then you're not making any money, right? So that's what I do there. There's also one more. It's called the Internet Archive. Now this is one I started using probably about a month ago, 2 months ago, just because I thought it was interesting. But what I do is I come here, click on audio, go to all audio, okay? And I come here and I type in some, so I've typed in weight loss. Let's say I want something on money, right? So I type in money. I come down here and I pull one of these that allows me, that has a Creative Commons. So let's say this one might, I don't know. Okay, so I come down here and I'll try to use some of these. Now, some of these I'm not a big fan of these, but I have used them. It's just another option for you. So you can spend your time, look around here. You get a lot of podcasts. That's where you're going to see most of the time is people are just, it's just their podcast and you can reuse them if you want to. Some will say they are protected by copyright law, so I'd stay away from those. But yeah, just be aware of that. Internet Archive is out there. It's called archive.org. Again, it's a great option for you, but for some people it's not the best, right? So now, once you've created it, for example, I did how to travel the world on a budget. That's just what I typed in. Once you've created your video, upload it to YouTube and then promote whatever it is you're trying to promote inside your description box. I always try to reference or recommend a product at the end of the video. Again, you copy and paste all these different videos and images and text and all this stuff together. You edit it all together and then you go and promote it at the end. Just like I did, alright? So that's all you have to do. Now, let me give you some advice when it comes to making $300 a day on YouTube doing this copy and paste technique. You can make even more money than that, but most people start at zero. Everybody starts at zero, right? It's just common sense. You gotta start somewhere. Here's what I recommend. The majority of people, what they do and what I did when I first started this was, I was just trying to promote the video. That was it. I wasn't trying to sell products. I wasn't trying to sell services. I wasn't trying to recommend different things. All I was trying to do was get people to watch the video, and then I would make a small, little fee from YouTube ads. Once and only after, okay, you get 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and over 4,000 hours of watch time. For most people, that's insane. That's absurd. I'm never going to get that many subscribers and that many views or that much watch time. But you will eventually get there. So, for right now, for your very first video that you put together, what I want you to do is promote a product. Go to Amazon.com and find a product that you can promote. Go to clickbank.com and find an ebook that you really like. Create your own course. That's something that I absolutely love doing, is creating my own courses and selling those courses online, because you make 100% of the profits. Let's say I sell a course for $37. I'm going to make $37. Okay? So if you want to get to $300 quickly every single day, you can. But the trick here is not to rely 100% on YouTube ads, because if you do that, I guarantee you, you're going to struggle more than you have any success. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is stop making videos once a month. It's just not going to work. Maybe once you're established, once you have some viewers coming in, you have a decent subscriber base, then you can make videos once a month or once a week. But to start, I'd recommend between 2 and 3 videos every single week. And here's the reason why. If you do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, you're going to have a lot of success. If you do a Monday, Thursday, Friday schedule and having a gap in between Monday and Thursday and then the 2 videos, the Thursday, Friday back to back, you're not going to have as much success on the Thursday and Friday video. You need to space them out a little bit. And I say this because it's been proven to work when you create less videos, but it's consistent, because now people come in Monday, Wednesday, Friday, watch your videos, then maybe go and watch the next one before they leave. If you are always uploading at random times and nobody ever knows that, it's going to make it very difficult for people to keep coming back. So, what I recommend, 2 to 3 videos a week. Do a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or even do a Tuesday and Thursday, but make sure they're spaced out so that way you get the most views possible. And the third tip that I have for you guys is to promote different things. If you are talking about travel, which I just shot that video, okay, made it, and the person that used it, he put it at the end of one of his travel videos. That's great. That's a great option. But if you are talking about travel, make sure you're not just promoting a book. Now, that wasn't a free book. It was a paid book. I think it was like $20 or something. But don't just promote a book. Maybe you're going to promote a book. You're going to promote certain luggage. You're going to promote an ebook that teaches people how to travel on a budget. Maybe you're going to promote a credit card that has just insane offers. Great reward program, right? Maybe you're also going to promote a certain service that people could use, like maybe they travel, right, and they need their golf club shipped to a certain location. Maybe you're going to partner with a company that does all the golf club shipping, right? That's a great option. do that. Okay, find other people that you can promote, other services, other products, other courses, other ebooks. Because if you only promote one thing and that one person buys that one product, the next video that they watch, they're not going to buy the same product again. It's just not going to happen. So promote different things so that way you can actually cater to your audience as a whole, not just one and done. All right. The last thing I want you to understand when it comes to making money online using this copy and paste technique is that it's simple. It is so simple. Don't overthink it. Don't make these videos with the most epic transitions ever. A lot of people don't care. If you do, fine. If you prefer that, great. Go ahead and do it. But if you leave out the transitions, if you leave out some text, if you miss some stuff here and there, you'll make it up on the next video. Understand that pushing out these videos, okay, every single week is the most important thing you can do. Just don't worry about the mistakes you make. You'll fix it next time. Well, there you guys go. That is how you can make $300 per day using this copy and paste technique on YouTube. It's so simple, anybody can do it. But if you have questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you need help on learning how to do affiliate marketing, which is essentially promoting different products like I showed you, okay, if that's what you want to learn, I'll put a link down in the description box below along with the discount code so you can go and get my affiliate marketing on YouTube course at a discount. So if you have any questions, again, ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, smash that thumbs up button. And as always, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.